Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about scale of measurements in biostatistics. What all the scale we are going to use for collection of data and how we are going to use the scale. Okay, this examination they will ask a level of measurement, explain the level of measurement or explain the scale of measurement or explain the types of scale used in the statistics. Okay, total there are 4 types of scale we are going to use. Already I have given small introduction about this topic in previous class. Now we are going to detail in that class. Okay, there are 4 types of scale we are going to use. That is, first one is nominal scale, second one is ordinal scale, third one is interval scale, and fourth one is a ratio scale. Okay, nominal scale means for measuring the demographic characteristics we are going to use nominal scale. Nominal scale, only they will measure the name of the person, name of the job or name of the occupation, name of the education. Only they will give the names. They will not give any numerical data, any numbers. They will give the names. How many members, how many males are there, how many females are there, how many educated people is there, how many illiterate people is there, how many housewife is there. Like that they are going to give the names only. Ordinal scale, that one gender or any one name only we are going to give. Ordinal scale means we are going to name as well as we are going to rank the names. Okay, ordinal scale, they will give the name also as well as for the name they will give the ranking order. The names will be arranged in a rank order. See, strongly agree, disagree, undecided, disagree, downless, strongly disagree. Okay, strongly agree, order wise they have arranged. Strongly agree, undecided, disagree, strongly disagree. It is in order. It is having the name. Agree, disagree, strongly agree. They are having the name as well as they are arranged in the order. Okay, that is ordinal scale. Next one is interval scale. In interval scale, 3 things will be there. In first scale, nominal scale, only one thing, that is name order they will have. Then second one is ordinal scale, they will have the name as well as the ranking order they will have. In this interval scale, they will have 3 things. Name they will have, on ranking order will be there, then some interval will be there in the order. Okay, see, the 30 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, like that they will have the interval between the one number to another number. They will have the some series of interval. For example, very poor, they will have the order. They are having the name very poor, average, good, excellent. Okay, very poor, that is in order. Interval how they are maintaining is, if they are having 2 to 25, they are comes under very poor. 25 to 50, they will be the poor. 50 to 70, they are average. 70 to 80, they are good. Like that they will have the interval. That is, they are maintaining in the interval scale. Interval scale, what will be there means, name will be there, ordering will be there, and interval they will maintain. Okay, ordinal scale, they will only maintain the name as well as the order. And a nominal scale, they will have only the names. Okay, next one is, we will see that ratio scale. Ratio scale, they will have the name, order, interval, and they will have the, it will start from the 0. But other scale, it will not go for minus. It will start from the 0. Okay, that 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in on our interval scale, it will start from the 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 5. Like that they will have. They will go for the minus 1 to 1, minus 2 to minus 5. Like that it will go in the negative in the interval scale. But ratio scale, it will not go for negative ways. They will go for the positive. Name will have, order will be there, interval will be there. It will start from the 0. It may be start from the 0. This is the ratio scale. Okay, see this picture we can understand. Okay, this name person 1 2 3 4. Next one is ordinal scale that are arranged in the order: first place, second place, third place. Interval scale, see 8.2 to 9.1, 9.1 to 9.6, like that. The 0, that ratio scale, it having the 0. Okay, it will start from the 0. It is not having the negative points. Okay, this is something about scale of measurements. In tomorrow class, we are going to see that measurement of central tendency. In measuring the central tendency, we are going to see what is mean, what is median, what is mode. Okay, this is mostly we are using for measuring the demographic characteristics. Already I told in the previous class, for measuring the central tendency, we will measure the central tendency for the demographic characteristics. If we are using that inferential statistics, we are going to measure the hypothesis. In this we will use the parity test, t-test and chi-square test. For testing hypothesis, we are using inferential statistics. For measuring the demographic characteristics, we are using the descriptive statistics that helps to measure the mean, median, mode. Okay, for measuring the dispersion, we are using the hypothesis testing, that is chi-square test and t-test. Okay, tomorrow we will see that next class. Today we have seen what is the types of scale, how they are arranging the scale, what all the scale is there, how to ordering the scale. We are seeing that nominal scale means we are giving the scale in the name. Okay, ordinal scale means we are giving the name as well as we have arranged in the ranking order. Then interval scale, we are giving the name for the scale as well as we are giving the arranged in the order, and we are maintaining the some series of interval. Then ratio scale, it is having 4 things. Names will be there, ordering will be there, then interval will be there, but it will not go for negative points. It will start from the 0. Okay, thank you for your listening. Tomorrow everyone should get ready for the calculation of measuring central tendency. Okay, it is very important. You all should know about what is mean, median and what is mode. Already I have taken in the theory classes. Tomorrow we are going to see that in practical as well as the theory class. Thank you.